guys, Uniqueness Essentials here. For today's video, I'm going to be using cardboard to make a DIY table. This is a challenge, and this was the photo that was sent to me, and the person requested for me to use cardboard. Now, this is going to be quite challenging for me, but let's see how it goes. I'm going to cut this down first and try and see if I can draw out a similar pattern on the cardboard. If you're new to my channel, it's so great to have you here. Now don't forget to click on the subscribe button and that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my latest videos. I'm going to be drawing just half for now. That's going to be my guide as I make this table. I'm not really a pro at these kinds of drawings, but please bear with me. I'm just gonna make it as close as possible to the actual picture that was sent to me. I'm gonna make this darker so you guys can see it much better. This is what I have. Now I'm gonna carve out the shape that I want and then cut out just the leg part. Now I'm going to be making a full pattern by drawing out the first half and then turning it over to draw the second half. I'm going to make 3 more and keep them aside. I'll be tracing out the shape of the leg as well, and I'm going to be making 20 pieces of this. I will glue 5 together in such a way that there's going to be provision in the middle for something stronger to be put there. I'll be using these decorative sticks and cutting them to size and gluing them in between each and every one of the spaces, but you can also use dowels. But because I have more of the sticks, I'm going to be using the sticks and gluing them inside. Now I'm going to go ahead and wrap the whole thing with masking tape. I made 4 of these, and then now I'm going to be covering what I've just made with Plaster of Paris that I got from Walmart. A full list of all the items that I used for this project is going to be down in the description box below. I waited for about 2 hours and sanded it down lightly. I'll be using hard PVC to attach all the legs together. I'm also going to be attaching the pattern at the front. I chose this particular PVC because it's thick enough for me to attach the pattern to it. I'll be attaching the legs and the design with a strong adhesive. I'll use thumbtacks to keep the design firm to the PVC. On the other side, I made it flat and attached it like this. Now you can use wood if you don't have PVC. I'll be attaching all PVCs together with screws. I'll be adding a wooden overlay to the bottom of the design. Now I'm going to go ahead and use hot glue and make lines all over the legs for a shiny effect after it's been spray painted. I'm also going to use hot glue to trace out the pattern at the front. When I was done, I took it out and I spray painted it gold. Moving on to the top, I got 2 foam boards and cut them to size. And then got a wooden board that I attached in the middle. Now I glued all 3 together. And my reason for using foam boards at the top and at the bottom is to make it thick and to also make it easy for me to draw out light curves and cut out the shape. I sealed off the outer edges with a hot glue gun and painted it black, and then cover the top with black contact paper. Now this is how my version turned out, and I used cardboard and with the help of PVC of course, but then it's majorly made out of cardboard. This is a medium-sized wine bottle, and this is the level where the wine is and the table can carry it. So I want you guys to know that this table is sturdy and it can take up to 8 pounds of weight, which is okay for a side table. This was really an interesting project and I love the way it turned out. Thank you all so much for watching. I have other home decor DIY videos that are linked in the description box below to check them out, and don't forget to click on the subscribe button.